Okay, so this video will take you through the trafficking request of a creative upload and then also rotator scheduling if needed with that creative. So initially, after the request of a creative upload, you will be given details of where the creative will be uploaded to, whether it is to be included within a rotator or if it is to be attached to a single line. If it is to be attached to single line items, then the previous videos show you how to do that. Within this video, though, I'll be taking you through rotator scheduling also. So all creatives will be sent with a fixed naming convention. The naming convention is the client, the environment, the creative code, and then the size. So the client is Littlewoods, the environment is the mobile web. The creative code in this example is 0226, and then obviously the size 250 by 250. So to upload creatives, initially what you want to do is navigate to the banners tab. Make sure you're in the correct client, the correct campaign first. It doesn't matter about which order you're in because banners sit at the campaign level. So navigate to the banners tab and select upload, select image add, and then browse. In this instance, I'm just going to do some as an example. So shop direct, creatives, and then you would select all of them the account team have sent over to you and select upload. After an upload, a pop-up will appear. Within here, you can state, within here, this is where you should first select click tag, leave landing page as other. Within the title box, you should call this click tag, and then your click URL. So you're going to get your click URL with the trafficking request, or you can also find it within the Shop Direct Creative Tracker. So you go into the Shop Direct Creative Tracker, navigate to the correct campaign, in this instance Littlewoods UK, find your creative code. Once you found your creative code, then you can find your URL and the run date. I'm just going to use this just because this is purely a test, purely an example. The reason for these weird numbers at the end is because I've already uploaded these creatives before, as you can see, so they just added these in so they would so they'd be unique and there wouldn't be any confusion. Um, So yeah, after you've edited all of these and you've given them a click tag, you would click apply and publish, which I just have. We can check if these settings have been saved by going back into an individual one. As you can see, title, click tag, click URL, landing page, other. So now that we've uploaded our creatives, they're now ready to be assigned to either rotators or to line items. In this video, I'm going to be showing you rotators. So what you would do, as per request, the run dates will be in the request from the account team, so you can just follow the details of the request. What I recommend you do is look into the creative tracker, make sure all the run dates are correct, and use the creative tracker as your reference whilst you're setting the scheduling. Also, whilst doing this, you have to make sure that any creatives that are no longer within the run date have then been taken out of rotators, and then you have changed the status to paused. I'll touch on that in a second. So after upload, I filter to rotator, search for ROT, and then all of our rotators will pop up. Not all sizes are live, so just make sure you're doing only the sizes that you've been sent to you. Click within the rotator, and then to add a member, we go to the members section, and then you can find all of the creatives, the single banners that we've uploaded. You would select one, select add, and then you have to click save within this section. Then we can navigate to targeting tab. We can see our creative here. Now we can check the run date. Whatever the run date says on the creative tracker, we can then go into time, and I'm just going to do today's date, the 15th, and then holding shift and clicking on 31, it will set a block of days. Then we can set full day, apply, and save. After selecting apply and save, we must click publish in order for this to be set live. Within here, you can also do time targeting. So we can select Friday the 1st, and we can say from 9 a.m. until, okay, let's go till midnight. So 9 a.m. until midnight, apply that, and then we can make it run for a week afterwards of full days, and then we can make it end at 9 a.m. also. So if there are any time targeting requirements other than just date, any more specific time targets, this is how we would do it. So we can make it end on specific times, not just dates. Once again, save and then select publish for this to be set. And also, yeah, the creative tracker, we would then um, run through the creative tracker, make sure that every creative that is meant to be scheduled is within the rotator, and any that are now out of date have been taken out. In order to take them out, we would go back to the members tab, and then you select the minus and then save. So now, as you can see, this is now out of the rotator and shouldn't be served. Backup banners also. So if you ever need to add a backup banner, this is where it's done. You can take one out here. You just simply add it out. To add one in, select the little pencil button, find the backup banner you've been told to add. Once finding it, click select and then click save in this section, and that will set your changes. After any changes done within any section, within the within the rotator settings, the members section, and also the targeting section, you must click save in each section, and for it to be set in stone, you must click publish, as these changes won't be set live.